Hey guys, we're here in Marina, Ohio River. It's just maybe 300 yards that way. We got our pole holders, our okuma tundra rods, 6-aught circle octopus circle hooks, 3-ounce no roll sinkers. And we're going to target some catfish. Don't know if we're catching it or not. We're going to take another rod with the 1/8-ounce jig head, the Mr. Twister, try to catch walleye or sauger while we hopefully wait. We got our fish finder here. It's about 40 degrees. November 18th, I think, or maybe 19th. Not real sure about that, but it's 40 degrees. Supposed to get a little bit below freezing tonight, so I'm hoping I can target a couple 30-feet holes I know of. The main river through here is about 15, so I'm hoping maybe a little bit of depth give me a little better chances of catching one. With the kayak I can reach the spots I need to get to. So I'll get back with you when we get to the first hole and we'll see what we can get. This is our second hole here. It's about 28 feet of water. I got one rod to the right here. I got one pretty much straight ahead. It looks like it's slanted to the right, but it's straight out. Then I got this rod here straight to our left over here, where the hole's about 28 feet deep. It might be hung up. Was. This will usually just let it cross my lap. It's probably not a really good idea if we ever do get a decent fish on, because it's probably gonna take my pole if I'm not quick enough. I like to always keep this pole, cut my PB so far, 31.5 pounds. Just kind of goofing off with the Mr. Twister here. There's some guys at the river here who doing pretty good catching walleye. This is the time killer, basically, while watching poles here. I'm marking fish, but I don't know what they are. It's really hard to tell. We just literally had a barge come through here. Okay, here's the right, guys. Come on, baby. Come on. He's definitely think twice and quit. So the water's really cold. It's 44 degrees. Oh. When our laps get hit. he is. There he is, guys. Beautiful, beautiful little channel cat here. He ain't no monster, but he's a fish. And we're taking him. Circle hook did his job. Got your kid in it, bud. Small little guy. But he's over at you. See you, bud. There he goes. Just one tap of this one again, guys. Best is will they keep tapping it. Might be too old beef turkey. Which is actually kind of cool because I can feel up my leg. Come on. Oh, missed him. Daggone, where did he take me to? Man, I missed him. Little sucker's biting like crazy too. That sucks. Man. I don't know how I missed him, but I did. Let's try another piece. Might have to target some more this way, because all the bites I've gotten. Oh, that's about a bad ordeal. All the bites I got's been right through here. Want to get my stuff out of the car again. It seems like a common occurrence. I step away, I get a bite. Hopefully whatever it was is still there, I hope. A little baby channel of the old skipjack here. He's fat enough for winter. Man, you cold, dude. Cold little guy. It's still hard to believe catching catfish from the bank. See you, bud. That's 2 today, so honestly didn't really know what to expect. I've never really fished this time of year, but we caught us 2 anyway.